appears that you have some interest for it
No, I
or
am not.
no?
No, I am not interested to take any kind of loan.
But may I know the reason? Like you have inquired about it in online, that's why I've given you the call back.
No, actually, I presently I don't have any requirement of loan. That's why I don't need to.
Okay, no issue, sir. Like not now, but maybe within a month if you're looking for any property to purchase or if you require a construction loan.
Uh, do you give home loan construction purpose in village area or only municipality area?
See, ICICI Bank is only funding to the municipal corporation, Nagar Nigam or Mahanagar Palika property, okay? If the
Okay,
property belongs to Gram Panchayat, Nagar Panchayat or Nagar Parishad, then ICICI Bank is not funding there, okay?
okay, okay. Actually, I'm
Yes.
looking for a place in village area, so that's why I
Okay.
am asking.
So you're looking for a plot plus construction loan in Gram Panchayat property, right?
Right.
Okay, it's really sorry to say, sir, but on that property, it won't be possible you to get a loan disbursal process completed and get your approval. Okay.
If I
If
take
you
a,
want, if you have a requirement, yes,
if I purchase any plot in a municipal area, then you are able to provide loan. So
yes, sir.
how many lakhs you can provide me the loan if I buy any plot in municipal area?
See, if first we will just check your eligibility. Okay, on your income basis, whatever loan amount you will be coming eligible, you can get your approval for that. Okay. But
Okay,
it should be minimum 15 lakh, okay, because ICICI Bank is funding 15 lakh, not less than that for the home loan, okay.
okay,
For any purpose, for a construction or to purchase the property or mortgage loan, okay. For any
okay,
of this, you can take minimum 15 lakhs. Other than this, whatever will be the property value, on that you will be getting a disbursement, okay. If you are
hmm,
going for plot plus construction loan, okay, so first on plot, bank will fund you. Whatever will be the property lowest value, on that bank will fund you 75%, okay. So whatever will be the remaining 25% you have to pay from your side as your token amount. Okay, file up a sale deed or sale agreement, and afterward the remaining 75% bank will fund you. Okay, then you will be given
okay,
2 years time period to complete your construction. Okay, in 2 years you have to complete your construction. So whenever you will be starting your construction, whatever will be the construction estimated value, on that bank will fund you 80%. Okay, so the remaining 10 to 20% you have to start from your side. Make the map approval of the property in which you are constructing. Okay, and then bank will fund you 80%. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, and if you're going for a complete property, ready to move property, okay,
Hmm.
already constructed property, then whatever will be the property value, if it is 30 lakh or less than 30 lakh, then bank will fund you 90% to that value, okay. And if it is more than 30 lakh, then bank will fund you 80% to that value. So
Okay.
in this way, you will be getting a disbursement process completed, okay.
Okay. If it is ready to move full furnished, then bank will fund 90%, right?
Yeah, so if
And
it is 30 lakh or less
it
than
should
30
be
lakh,
up to 30 lakhs, not more than that.
90% fundable only on 30 lakh or less than 30 lakh value, okay.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So may I know? Yes.
Uh, Actually, I am planning to buy any plot. There, as you
Okay.
said, ICICI Bank fund only municipal area. So give me 3 to 4 months. If I get any place, any in municipal area, then I will call ICICI Bank. Okay.
Yeah, if you want, there is an bank is providing a one facility also you. Okay. Wherein if you have not yet finalized the property, if you want, you can just by checking up your eligibility, apply for the loan, download your
Mhm.
professional letter, okay, pre-sanction letter, which will be valid for you for the next 6 months, okay. Whenever within in 6 months you will be finalizing your property, at that time you can complete your disbursement process, okay.
If I didn't I don't get any place within 6 months, then what will be the process
See,
after that?
if in case if in case there is a possibility wherein you're not finalized the property in 6 months, okay?
Hmm.
So like after 6 months, the sanction letter which you have taken approval will get expire, okay? So
Okay.
you won't be able to go with that sanction letter, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, as I
Should
can
I
see here, Mr. Hardan Basak. Yes,
if that sanction letter expired, then should I pay anything for that?
sorry. For the approval, you have to pay the processing fees, okay? To
So
take the approval for your home loan.
what is the processing fee?
See, it will be 3,000 plus applicable taxes, one-time payment, non-refundable charge, okay? As
Okay.
I can see here, you are an existing customer of ICICI too, right,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah, yeah,
Hardan?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So based on that, sir, you are an valuable customer of ICICI. ICICI Bank has offered you a pre-approved home loan offer, okay? 19 lakh 25,000 for 360 month, okay?
Hmm.
So if you go with this offer, you don't need to submit any KYC or income proof document. Also, you don't need to check an eligibility in online process also, okay?
Hmm.
Directly, you can take your approval from your iMobile app itself only, okay?
Okay.
Wherein you will be getting your approval instantly on your mail ID with the loan application number, and on that you will be getting your relationship manager name and contact number, okay, who
Okay.
will be assigned for you for your further process. So
Hmm.
as I've told, the approval letter is valid for you for the 6 months. In
Hmm.
6 months, whenever you finalize the property, you have to just contact that relationship manager. The details which is provided to you on your approval letter of relationship manager, you have to contact that person. You provide him the correct address of the property. He will just visit for the legal and technical verification of the property, okay?
Okay.
And will provide you the disbursement process, okay? So
Okay.
throughout the process, you don't have to visit anywhere, okay? You don't have to submit any documentation of income and KYC also, okay?
Okay.
You will be getting the doorstep service from ICICI, as well as you will be getting low rate of interest or loan charges if you go with this offer, okay?
Right now, what is the percentage going on in market?
See, ICICI Bank starting rate of interest is 8.10, okay? Whatever will be the best provided to you as an offer from bank side, it will be shown to you in your iMobile app before availing this offer, okay? You can check your loan amount, rate of interest, tenure period, monthly EMI along with your processing fees. And if you are satisfied, then only you have to take the approval from your iMobile app, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because Mr. Hassan, as this is an offer, it will be not valid for you, okay? Offer
Okay.
get expired, okay? So if you have a requirement within a month or within a 6 months, then you can avail this offer now and download your approval letter, okay?
Okay.
Because it's a hassle-free process for you. By you don't have to visit anywhere also, right?
Hmm. Correct.
And all the process you have to do with your own self only, okay? You don't have to visit anywhere and you don't have to take the guidance of any third party, okay?
Okay. Ma'am, I have another query. Should I ask right now?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. As you know that Pradhan Mantri Yojana Yavas is
yes,
there, and 3.6 lakh rupees central government is providing to every people. So if I take loan from you, then that
yes.
amount will be reduced or will be
See, Pradhan
same.
Mantri Awas Yojana was like previously it was there, okay?
Hmm.
Previously people were applying for it and bank also was doing the application for it, okay? But
Hmm.
currently we don't have the update for it that it is restarting or not, okay? So
Okay.
currently we cannot provide you the current information for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, okay?
Hmm.
But if possibility at the time of your on-field when relationship manager will visit you, if there is any this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana going on, then he will provide you the information for that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because it's a government policy, right? So we
Right.
don't know exactly for it. It's provided you by the government, not from the bank, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah, so currently there is no update from our bank side, okay, related to this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir. So if you want to get the approval for your home loan, then I will just guide you for the process, okay? Then you can just avail it from your hand side, okay? By checking all the details of your offer.
Yes, ma'am. But actually, right now I'm talking on that phone, So I cannot use internet right now. If you guide me, so
Okay,
iMobile
so you cannot.
iMobile application also is downloaded in my mobile, but I cannot use right now because I am talking with you right now, right?
Okay, okay, no issue.
So if you
Okay, so like
if it
while
is
talking on the
possible,
call, your network is not
yes,
connecting,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. So
Okay.
I will request you, if it is possible, can you send me the process step by step in my
Yeah, yes.
registered mail? Then I
No
can
issue.
process.
No issue. I will just guide you for the process. Okay. As you are in using an iMobile app of ICICI, right?
Right, right,
First of
right.
all, may I know the location of your current location?
Current location name is Post Bihar, pin code
May I know
736101.
the city name of your location?
Post Bihar.
Pus, Bihar.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you provide me the pin code?
Yeah, yeah. Pin code is 736101.
736101.
Right.
Coach, Bihar. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, you are staying here only, sir.
Sorry.
Hello. Currently, you are staying here only in Coach, Bihar.
Yes, ma'am. Currently, I'm staying here.
Okay. Okay, no issue. So, like as you open your iMobile app, there will be one offers option for you, offers option. Okay. In
Okay.
downstairs, okay, you have to just click on that offers. Then there will be a drop down open to you in which you will see many offers which is provided in your iMobile app. Okay.
Okay.
There it will be written as pre-approved home loan offer. Okay, instant
Okay.
loan offer, pre-approved home loan. As you click on it, the loan amount and tenure period it will be shown to you. 19 lakh 25,360 month. Okay.
Okay.
Get it now, apply now option is there. You have to click on that get it now option. Okay, then your offer page will get open to you. Okay. So as it will get open, in that you can see your loan amount, rate of interest, tenure period, monthly MI along with your processing fees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
the
ma'am. You are
processing
audible.
fees which I have told to you, 3,000 plus applicable taxes. Okay. It will be shown to you in your iMobile app. And if you are satisfied with all that offer, then you have to just select the location. Okay.
Okay.
The current location of yours or the property location if you finalize any location. Okay. Or else you can select a property location there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and after that you have to just select on property type. Okay, property yet to be identified or property not identified. Okay. As you fill up these details, down there will be an option for you. Are you being assisted by a representative? You have to just like click on the submit. Okay, down there will be submit option. Okay, you have to just click on submit. Next page will open to you
Ma'am,
the
wait,
payment method page. Okay.
wait a minute. Actually, I have another call. Please, can you call me after some
Yes.
time?
At what
Yes,
time?
Mohan. Yes, Mohan, tell me.